Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. Today's video is going to be decoration of vanilla cake, and I've used whipped cream to decorate this simple cake, but it turns out to be a beautiful one in the end. So keep watching, and as I have said before, if you have any queries, do write to us in the comment section. We'll get back to you very soon.
We've come so far since we began this life. Been through the trenches, seen so many ups and downs, like we barely even touched the ground. I love you more each day, and I pray I can push my ego out the way, let you know it'll be okay. Yeah, whenever times get rough, you ain't gotta be tough. I find a way to go back in time, find a way we can press rewind. So I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back the hands of time. Oh, I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back the hands of time. One shining moment. Oh, I remember when you used to call for me. You sooner or later you would fall for me. It was all for me. As we went deeper, found love in a place that we never knew. Changed all of my plans, making room for you. Did it all for you. But lately something ain't right, so maybe you should go find just what it is that's really got your mind. And I'll love you still, I always will. Be strong, cause in my eyes you can never do no wrong. So I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back the hands of time. Oh, I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back the hands of time. I'll be right here waiting
I hope you all liked watching this video, and if you did enjoy it, then please do like, comment and share it with your friends and relatives, whoever is interested in cake decoration. And a gentle reminder once again, please do subscribe to our channel, and hoping to bring more and more interesting videos in future. So till we meet again, it is bye-bye from our side.